Hi, welcome to our new Wapaka Public Library page that will help you put favorite books on hold and learn how to use our website. So click on things around the page, see what you can find. You'll find handy links to our website so you can do escape rooms and do all sorts of activities, hear us tell stories. You can join our fall reading challenge, which is asking you to read books outside your perspective, which is going to be a lot of fun. You can earn badges. You can also watch book trailers or video book talks. And if you click on the title, on the covers, it'll take you right to InfoSoup so you can put those on hold. So we're very excited about this page. Let us know what you think. Tell your teacher and he or she will get back to us. We also have library resources like how to order a book pack where we do the shopping for you, how to have us print your homework pages so that you can work on things on paper rather than on the computer, and how to access the library catalog. So enjoy our new page and let us know what you think. Thanks.